Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a team member on Jira. To begin, open Jira and make sure you are on the For You page with the Worked On tab selected. This is a good starting point because it gives you access to the main Jira workspace before moving into the administrative settings. If your screen looks slightly different, that is normal, since layouts can vary a little depending on your account setup and permissions. Once you are in Jira, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Settings. This is where Jira and Atlassian place many of the account and organization controls. If you are responsible for managing users, this is the area you will typically use when adding people to your workspace. After opening Settings, click on User Management. This will take you out of the standard Jira project view and into the admin area where user access is controlled. From here, you can manage who has access to the platform and what level of access they should receive. In the User Management area, click on Invite Users. This opens the invitation flow used to add a new team member. At this stage, Jira is preparing to send an invitation so the new user can join your organization and gain access to the tools they need. Next, enter the team member's email address in the email field. Be sure to use the correct work email since this is where the invitation will be sent. It's always a good idea to double-check the address before moving forward to avoid sending access to the wrong person. After that, select the roles for Jira. This step is important because roles determine what the new team member will be able to do once they log in. Depending on your organization's setup, you may see different options here. Choose the role that matches the person's responsibilities so they have the right level of access without giving more permissions than necessary. Once you have made your selections, click Next. This gives you a chance to continue through the setup and confirm the access details before the invitation is finalized. Finally, click Grant Access. This completes the process and sends the invitation to the new team member. They will then be able to accept the invite and join Jira with the role you assigned. And that's it. You've successfully added a team member on Jira. If needed, you can always return to user management later to update their access or adjust roles.